And I will always love you. And I love you. Hello, BCS.
What's up, sales guy? You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just knew you were coming today to pick this up for your giveaway.
Man, you seem pretty upset about it, bro.
I'm just having a hard time letting her go.
Hey, don't worry, man. I promise you it's going to a good home. My subscribers are absolutely top-notch people.
That actually does make me feel quite a bit better.
Well, she'll definitely be well taken care of. You know, this is probably the first time that you haven't irritated me when I come into the store.
Well, here's your giveaway knife for your 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And may I interest you in any more knives?
And of course, there it is. On that note, I'm out.
Well, thanks for stopping by, BCS. Please come back to the knife store where we sell knives.
What is going on, BCS Army? Justice for Blue Collar Survival, and it's finally time for my 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I've been a little delayed lately, a lot of work, been really busy and stressed out and tired, but figure go ahead and get this while I got a little bit of time. And I just want to do a thank you to you guys. You guys have been amazing. I love my subscribers. I love talking with you guys. Let's get into this. First prize we have is donated by DMS Paracording. That is Donovan Stockwell. Mr. Stockwell, I will put a link in the description to his Facebook page. He does some amazing paracording work. First prize for donation from him is a CRKT Bear Claw. This is the ER Rescue one. Also, he threw in a paracord bracelet, a little paracord keychain. There's a little sticker bundle in here. And he also threw in this tumbler with paracord handle, which is really sweet. I almost thought about keeping that, I'm not going to lie, guys. Also, I got this Benchmade morale patch and Benchmade sticker, courtesy of Benchmade. Thank you to them. Be throwing in a Blue Collar Survival shirt. And, of course, the prize you guys have all been waiting for. And there may be more in the future to be announced whenever the giveaway is done. So, there may be more. The Manix 2 Lockback. This is a discontinued Spyderco. It is an S30V. It's brand new in box. Only thing ever been done with it is Rockwell tested. You can see the little dimple right there. Definitely a great solid knife. This is a very nice knife. I already have a Manix 2, so I figure I would share the love with you guys. So, in order to get entered into this giveaway, what you got to do is I'm going to give you some channels to subscribe to. These are the Steel guys. I just want to show them some appreciation. I really think you guys should check these guys out. Some of them you probably have already watching, but these guys are the ones that really help us reviewers understand different stuff about steels, edge geometry, grain structures, heat treating, just different aspects of steel so we can get better reviews to you. But they also put videos out there for the consumers themselves for you guys to understand more. That way it's easier to make a conscious purchase. So for the channels that I will put up, I am going to do Alchemy 1, Super Steel Steve, Outpost 76, Sharp Thinking, Banter 24/7, In the Pocket, Jack Farm Boy, and Blade Banter. You can go and you can either subscribe to all of those guys or go to one of them and just say, hey, I love knives. But make sure you spell it nice so it's annoyingly wrong. And just say, sales guy sent me. And then let me know, hey, I subscribe to this channel, and let them know, hey, I love knives. And you'll be entered into the giveaway. So that's really all we got for it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Just my way of saying thank you to you guys for being amazing subscribers. It's been an absolute blast. I want to continue to do this, so let's keep pushing on and let the BCS Army continue to grow. All right, everybody, it's Justin for Blue Collar Survival. Good luck.